Hello and welcome to Timegram's tutorial video. Today we'll look at Timegram's settings. Let's get started. The settings page is divided into three parts: organization, billing, and integrations. The organization page is where you can update the name of the organization, your organization logo, edit when your work week starts, change the currency, edit the weekly capacity, then click Update to save all changes. The billing page is where you have the option to subscribe to either Pro or Enterprise plans. You can also choose if you want it to be a monthly or a yearly subscription by using the toggle. The integration page is where you can find the API key to integrate Timegram with several other tools using Zapier. That's it for the settings. Feel free to drop us a message on our chat or create a ticket, and our support team will respond to your queries as soon as possible. See you in the next one.